Today, Strongest Laser is on-site at our customer's facility, tackling a challenging nameplate welding project. We're joining 1mm and 3mm carbon steel, a tough combination that demands extreme precision. Welding thin to thick materials risks burn-through or weak bonding, but Strongest Laser rises to the challenge. Our advanced laser technology ensures deep penetration, minimal heat distortion, and a clean, solid weld every time. Even in a real-world environment, we deliver consistent quality and boost welding efficiency by more than 30%.
Strongest Laser, expanding worldwide. Be our partner today.